In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to reply to Instagram messages, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. This is a super simple process to do. All you have to do is go to your Instagram DMs that you want to reply to. For example, if I want to reply to this, I can press and hold on the message that I want to reply to. I can do multiple things. I can reply, I can save the reply, I can forward, copy, or I can also react at the top with all the emojis. But all you have to do is click reply and reply to it. As you can see, it replied to that direct message. I can also do this for older messages as well. If you have a long conversation and want to reply to a specific message, all you have to do is just tap and hold, and that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.